Hey, I'm Sneakz. I'm a software engineer with ChainSafe, and I'm one of the core developers working on the SDK. So now I'm going to run you through the ERC-721 Prefabs and how custom interactions can be made. So once you've installed the package, open up the web3.unity folder, come down to ERC-721, and you'll see these prefabs here. These prefabs basically reference the scripts here, and they allow you to gain certain information on NFTs. So who owns them, balance of an account, URI, as well as our all ERC-721 fix. So just to give you an example, we'll drop the balance of prefab in, we'll press play, go to console, and that gives us a value of 2. As you can see, that is the balance that belongs to this account or this contract here. So you can plug anything you'd like into there. Moving on, let's just change the prefab. We have an owner of prefab. This will give you the owner of the 721 token. Again, pressing play, going to console, and you can see that the owner of the specific token is this account here. That will be specified by contract here, by token ID here, and that will return that information. Thirdly, we have the URI prefab. We'll just take a look at it real quick. This takes a contract and a token ID, and it will return a URI if there's one attached to the token. And there is. We like that. Now you can use this to fetch the image, which is attached to an NFT, so that's great. Lastly, we have our all ERC-721 fix, which this will get all NFTs attached to an account based on a contract that you input. Just to give you an example of how this would work, is you can literally come in here, put the amount of tokens you want to search from. So if you know that the contract only has 100 NFT tokens, you can set this to 100, and you can input your contract here and press play, and it will loop through and tell you exactly who owns what. It's pretty cool. All right, if you have any questions or you get stuck, please drop into our Discord and give us a yell.